What is bruxism? Bruxism is involuntary jaw muscle behavior activity characterized with grinding or clenching of teeth. And it can be during the sleep or also awake. And statistics show that 22% of people worldwide are suffering from bruxism. The information is easy to find online. It's on PubMed, which is a library, a medical library. And the cases and numbers are increasing even more after COVID. And in today's time where we are surrounded by news about war and suffering and feeling of not being safe, I believe that the cases are even more now. So from 8 billion people, 22% is what about 1.7, 1.8 billion of people are having this condition.